So we'll see the next concept. So sometimes in exam, so instead of asking for the time taken for full tank to fill, so already half filled tank, what is time taken by the pipes to fill half of the tank, or what is time taken by the pipes to fill 1/4 of the tank. So questions are asked in that pattern also. So we'll see how to work out this type of questions using the LCM method itself. So we'll see an example and understand the concept clearly. So here the question is, a tap can fill a tank in 25 minutes and another can empty it in 15 minutes. So if the tank is already half full and both the taps are open together, so what is time taken by the pipes to fill or empty the tank? The options are given. So this question was asked in SBI Bank for PO exam. So in this question, A fills the tank in 25 minutes and B fills the tank in 15 minutes. So what is time taken by B to empty the tank? So it is 15 minutes. So time taken by B is more, means efficiency is less. So what will be the overall effect? The overall effect will be filling only. So we can choose the option which is filling the tank. And now, so without working, how can you get the answer? So I have already given you one hint to work out the questions when the data is like double the data. So A 25, B is 50. So using that hint, we can find what is time taken by both the tap to fill the tank. So, but here half filled tank. So the tank is already half full and we need only time taken to fill half of the tank. So we can find time taken by the pipes to fill the whole tank and divide it by 2, you get the answer. And using the clue, we'll see how to work out this question. So here A and B. So what is time taken by A to fill? 25 minutes. And what is time taken by B to empty? It is 15 minutes. So what is ratio of time taken? It is 1:2. So I have already told when time taken is in the ratio 1:2. So one filling and the other emptying, answer will be the higher value, 50. So now using that clue we can work out without doing any working. So it is in the ratio 1:2. So time taken by both the taps to fill the tank, because filling time is less, means efficiency of filling is more than emptying. So final effect will be filling. So both the taps take 50 minutes to fill the tank. And now the question is for half tank. So what is time taken for a half tank to fill half of the tank? By 2. So answer is 25 minutes. So now without any working, using that clue, we have found that time taken by both the taps to fill the whole tank is 50 minutes, and we are talking about half of the tank. So answer is half of 50, 25 minutes. So for this question, we have arrived at the answer without doing any working. So however, for better understanding, I'll show you the answer how to work out by the working also. So here A fills and B empties. We have found the ratio as 1:2. It is double the time. So emptying is double the time. So 1:2. And how to find time taken to fill or empty when one filling the other emptying? So we can work out with ratios itself. So having the common factor multiplied once. So we can use AB by A plus B for 2 taps. So A into B by, so we should always write emptying minus filling. So I have already told you earlier. So take emptying minus filling. So 2 minus 1, what is the overall effect? Positive. So it means that the tank is filled. So option will be for, we have to go for filled option. So this is into 25. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is 2 into 25? 50. So now as the value is double without working, we found 50 is time taken for the pipes to fill the whole tank. So by working also we have got time taken by both the pipes to fill the tank is 50 minutes, and for half fill it is half of 50, 25 minutes. So as we have got here a positive sign, answer will be option B, filled in 25 minutes. So we'll see the next example. So we'll see the next example. So the question is, a tank can be filled by 2 pipes A and B separately in 3 hours and 3 hours and 45 minutes respectively. A third pipe C can empty the full tank in 1 hour. So when the tank was exactly half filled, all the 3 pipes are open. So what will be time taken for the tank to get emptied? So this question was asked in SSC CGL Tier 1 2006. So we'll see the working. So here, so already half filled tank is there, and now what will be time taken by these 3 pipes to empty the half filled tank? So we'll use the same LCM concept for this working. So we'll see the working. So there are 3 pipes A, B and C. So A fills in how many hours? 3 hours. And what is time taken by B to fill the tank? 3 hours and 45 minutes, or 3 by 4 hours. So 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour. So time taken by B to fill, this is a mixed fraction, 3 by 4. And what is time taken by C to empty? It is in 1 hour it can empty a whole tank. And now our normal procedure, find LCM for time taken. So here what are the numbers? 3 by 4 and 1. So we have to find LCM for 3 and 3 by 4. So now I'll tell you how to find LCM for this integer and a mixed fraction. So we need to find LCM for 3 and 3 by 4. So we'll have this as an improper fraction. So one number is 3 by 1, the other is 3 4 12 plus 3 15 by 4. So how to find LCM for fractions? So to find LCM of fractions, take LCM for the numerators. So to find LCM of fractions, take LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. And now what will be fraction LCM for 3 by 1 and 15 by 4? So for 3 and 15, what is the LCM? 15 is the LCM. And what is HCF for 1 and 4? No common factor, so 1 will be the common factor. Now what is LCM for 3 and 15 by 4? It is 15. So now we assume that there is a tank of capacity 15 liters and we can proceed. So LCM for fractions, it's very easy to work out. So find LCM for numerators and take HCF for the denominators. So LCM for 3 and 3 by 4 is 15. And now what is work? We'll find what is work done by A, B and C. So we have assumed the tank capacity as 15 liters, and now in 1 hour, so what is the amount of water poured by A? 15 divided by 3, it is 5 liters. And what is the amount of water poured by B? It is 15 divided by 15 by 4. It is 4 liters. And now how much water C can empty in 1 hour? In 1 hour it can empty whole 15 liters. So it is minus. So when all the 3 taps are open, so how much water is there? So 5 plus 4, 9, minus 15, so no filling effect at all. So it is minus 6. It means that 6 liters is emptied by all the 3 pipes when opened together. So now we are asked to find if these taps are opened when the tank is half filled. So half filled means we have taken LCM 15, so half filled will be 15 by 2 or 7.5. So instead of doing all this, we'll see what is time taken by these pipes to empty the whole 15 liters, and there we can take half of the time. So in 1 hour they can empty 6 liters. In how many hours they can empty 15 liters? So in 1 hour all the 3 pipes can empty 60 liters. So to empty 15 liters, so what will be time taken? So cross products will be equal. So 15 by 6 hours or 3 by 2, 3 by 6. 6 2 is 12 or it is 2.5 hours. So in 2.5 hours, these 3 pipes that open together can empty a whole tank. That is 2 hours and 30 minutes. So now half tank is full already, not the full tank. So full tank they need 2 hours and 30 minutes, and we need to find time taken to empty half of the tank. So for half of the tank it will be half of the time taken. So it is 1 hour and 15 minutes is the answer. So using the same LCM concept, so we have found time taken by all the 3 taps to empty half of the tank also. So it is very simple, so it is not tedious working. We can do as we did earlier itself for full tank, and from that you can take half of the time. So while working or while choosing the answer, so be careful that you give the answer what the question is asked. So if it is for full tank, so we will be finding for full tank, and don't go for this option because you will have this option also. So half of the time, 1 hour 15 minutes. So answer is option A, 1 hour 15 minutes. So we will see the next concept.